Hello, I'm Donald Kerner.
And I'm Joshua Gates.
Logistics and supply chain management is critical in our everyday lives. Here at New Haven Moving Equipment, you can find all the products necessary to aid in whatever segment of the supply chain you are involved with. Whether you're in the warehouse or out on the trucks, you'll be sure to find the highest quality corrugated, packaging, moving equipment, and cargo control.
Let's start with our friends in the warehouse. Although utilizing a forklift is convenient, there is almost always a calling for the use of a pallet jack. Varying in widths and lengths, with the ability to carry up to 5,500 pounds, you're sure to find the right pallet jack for your location.
Let's not forget about prepping the pallets and skids for shipping. New Haven Moving Equipment stocks a variety of tape, stretch wrap, as well as steel banding and clips to ensure that your shipment is secure prior to loading.
And once orders and shipments are ready, that means it's time to load and deliver. Our top-of-the-line hand trucks, four-wheel dollies, and heavy-duty appliance trucks will help you carry the load, whatever the weight.
And to secure that precious cargo, New Haven Moving Equipment stocks a wide range of load locks, shoring beams, cargo straps, and cotton tie webbing.
And if you need added protection, our furniture pads provide strong, long-lasting protection for your shipments while in transit.
Have additional questions? Please stop by one of our 16 nationwide locations and speak with one of our representatives.
And don't forget to visit us on the web at newhaven-usa.com.